Wow. Come on, Adam. Come on, Adam.
Come on. And I've got you shackled in my embrace.
Wow.
I'm latching on to you. Now I've got. Woo! Hey.
Hey yo, what's up, beautiful and ugly people? What's poppin', man? What's poppin'? It's your boy Jessy again and again and again and again and again. But you can call me Kigen though. So right about now we're gonna do another reaction, and this one right here we're gonna do Blind Audition. This is The Voice 2017, and we're gonna do a guy called Ignatious Carmouche. He's going to sing a song called Latch or something like that. Sorry if I pronounce the name wrongly and the title of the song. So if you're home and you feel like you want to come close and react with me, let's get it. 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 Let's get it.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. And I'm latching on back. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough.
Come on, man. Come on.
Could I lock in your love?
Hit that buzzer. Wow. Come on, Adam. Come on, Adam.
Come on. And I've got you shackled in my embrace.
Wow.
I'm latching on to you. Now I've got you.
Come on. Yeah, Jennifer. Yeah.
You got it.
That guy got a lovely voice.
I'm latching on to you.
Yeah. Come on, man. Two more. Wow. Wow, brother, Ignatious.
I turned around.
Wow. That was super fire, man. Ignatious, you know what? You're super amazing, man. You started on very well, and then when it went into the falsetto, that was just a killer right there. That was just a killer right there, man. He is so amazing. The voice is super dope. Yo, if you feel like I reacted to this video, the better way to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to go down in my comment section and tell me exactly what you feel about my reaction, and what you feel about Ignatious right here. What you feel about what he just did. Like, man, like, he has a super amazing voice, no doubt about it. Like, super amazing voice, no doubt. Yeah, and you know what, you can tell me what you want me to react to. You can just go down in my comment section and tell me exactly what you want me to react to, and I'm gonna do it for you. And the most important thing, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The more you keep on subscribing, the more you give me the motivation to do a lot of videos and to give you a better content. And last but not the least, guys, always be late, man. And don't forget to dab on them headers, man, and peace out.